This will be my first 3D Experience World.
This is my first 3D Experience World.
This is my 20th.
This is my second one.
Started coming in 2005, 14 years.
This is my first time.
When you immerse yourself in the community, you get to talk to people, talk to your peers, talk to the developers, talk to this huge community of partners and resellers and clients. Nothing compares.
Everybody's got their dream and they're excited to make it happen. That's what this is all about, and that's what's driving me, and that's what's driving everybody here.
So many people from all over the world that have new ideas, different perspectives. The collaboration and the networking you're able to achieve here, you can't hardly find it anywhere else.
Everybody loves to make things, and so coming to a place where everybody comes together and just for that reason is such a cool experience.
That whole collaborative spirit that is here of people really just sharing of each other and each other's ideas to contribute to a greater tech ecosystem is what I really, really love.
My favorite moment is us displaying the work of SOLIDWORKS users and other ones recognizing it and saying, oh sweet, are they here? Can I meet them?
It doesn't matter whether you're an engineer or whether you're an artist. There's so much here that you can't help but be inspired by what they do.
Everyone that works with SOLIDWORKS wants everyone else to be good at SOLIDWORKS too.
I'm looking forward to what I can learn from the 3D Experience world and how to apply it to my job and also share it with my coworkers.
There's a feature I didn't know about that makes my workload like twice as easy. So now I feel like I'm going back to my job a better person.
I don't think I've met anyone that you can't just kind of walk up to and say, hey, how's it going? And just go off and have a 5-minute conversation.
You will never be able to get that feeling, that trust, that energy that we all leave the conference with if you stay at home.
Because everybody's saying goodbye. We see a lot of friends we only see once a year here, and it's just nice to connect after such a mind-blowing week. The inspiration you get from coming to these events is not to be understated. It's huge for us.
This is about talking about the technology. Show me what you can do, or let's have a look at this, let's talk about problems, let's actually find solutions for those things.
Just the passion they have for the community, the passion they have for the end user. It shows in the product, it shows in the software, and it shows in the actual leadership of the company.
See you in 2021.
See you in 2021.
See you in 2021.
See you back in Nashville 2021.
See you guys at 2021.